Morning, sir.
Yeah, morning Saurabh. Where are we on that deal?
Sir, I mailed them the presentation. I'm just waiting for the reward.
तो वीडियो कॉल अरेंज कर लो यार. Don't you know it already? That's the new normal. Get on with it.
I agree, sir, but I thought जब तक required नहीं है, I think I
वो
should.
requirement create करो. I don't need to teach you sales, right? So
I'll do it, sir.
also tell me one more thing. तुमने वो HR का मेल नहीं पढ़ा क्या? They sent it to the whole office. Swati just called me. She's saying she wants everyone's confirmation on that. So just send it at the earliest.
I'm so sorry, sir. I was just quite stuck with this presentation, so I couldn't have a look at it. If you don't mind, could you please give me a second? I'll just quickly go through it.
Yeah, go ahead. Do it fast.
Hi everyone, this is to inform you that we'll be operating from our offices just as before from 17th of August. Sir, I hope this is optional.
Optional. And why do you think that would be so?
Sir, I'm sorry, I can't come to the office.
I'm sorry. What did you say, sorry?
Yes, sir, I'm sorry. I can't come to the office.
Why is that? Are you not well? हमारे घर में कोई पॉजिटिव केस है? Are there any symptoms?
नहीं सर, कोई सिम्टम नहीं है. No one is positive in my family, but I can't leave my father alone. You know it's impossible.
सौरभ, मेरी टीम में ना सबके घर में कोई ना कोई इश्यूज हैं एंड आई एम सॉरी आई कांट अलाउ एवरीवन टू जस्ट सिट एट होम. कंपनी के कुछ नॉर्म्स हैं एंड आई नीड टू अडहियर टू दोस. So please try and understand what I'm saying and explain to me what you're trying to say.
I agree, sir, but in these past almost 5 months, yeah, we've accomplished so many things. Like we've made the best out of everything. We've closed so many deals. We finalized so many accounts. And I think we can continue doing so from our homes until unless it's really urgent.
Very well. What are you suggesting, Saurabh? कि जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आएगा तब तक तुम घर से बाहर नहीं निकलोगे?
No, that's not what I'm saying, sir. All I'm saying is my father is a single parent. उन्हें हर छोटी से छोटी चीज़, बेसिक से बेसिक चीज़ में हेल्प चाहिए होती है. He can't even walk properly. हाँ, केयर टेकर था हमारे पास, but because of all this, अब वो भी नहीं आ पा रहा है. So you tell me, sir, what do you suggest? Should I leave my father alone at home and come to the office? और वो भी उस काम के लिए जो कि मैं पिछले 5 महीने से घर से कर पा रहा हूँ, सर.
Okay, Saurabh, don't think I'm not considerate about this, but जॉब ना इमोशंस से नहीं होती है. जिस भी कंपनी का आप हिस्सा हैं उस कंपनी के कुछ नॉर्म्स होते हैं, रेगुलेशंस होते हैं जिसको फॉलो करना पड़ता है अगर आपको वहाँ पे नौकरी करनी है तो. सो आई रियली आई कैन सिंपथाइज विद यू बट आई कांट चेंज द रूल्स फॉर यू. और वैसे भी ये जो तुम्हारी कहानी है ना, ये अगर तुम HR को भी सुनाओगे वो एक कान से सुन के दूसरे कान से निकाल देंगे.
And this is why I'm talking to you, sir. I'm sure the HR doesn't know all of this, but you do, right? आपको तो सब पता है. Like I've been working for this company for 3 years और आपने अपनी आंखों से सब देखा है, सर. Sir, I'll be out every day from 9 to 5, and he'll be alone at home. उनका ध्यान कौन रखेगा? How will he manage things alone?
Saurabh, I've heard you out, but I don't know why I'm having to repeat this, but the company pays you a certain amount to do a certain amount of work, not to sit at home. ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम अरेंजमेंट जो था वो एक प्रिविलेज था जो आपको दिया गया था, पर अब जो है हर किसी को वापस अब ऑफिस आना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. I mean, sitting at home and working was not what you signed in for. You very well know that.
Exactly, sir. I signed up for a 9 to 5 job and not for a 9 to 9 job. I signed up for a normal daily job and not for a pandemic. I signed up to come to the office when my dad is fine and he's able to manage things all by himself. But right now he's not. And this new normal policy should not be mandatory for every employee, sir. The company needs to understand their employees' problems and should be willing to make the necessary changes. It's a two-way street, sir.
Saurabh, I think you're really out of line here. You are in no position to be saying these sort of things to me. तुम तो ऐसे बात कर रहे हो जैसे इस कंपनी ने कभी तुम्हारे लिए कुछ किया ही ना हो.
That's not what I meant, sir. I'm sorry.
Listen, I didn't want to start the morning like this. It's fine. I understand. Just send in your confirmation, okay?
Sir, I am sorry because the pandemic has taught me that nothing is more important than your family.
So you're going to stick to that even if it costs you your job.
I guess I'll manage, sir.